Looking for the best washing machine in 2026? With so many options available, finding the right one for your home can be a challenge. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best washing machines for 2026. Whether you're looking for powerful cleaning performance, energy efficiency, smart features, or the best value for your money, we've got you covered. Number 5. The Maytag MFW7020RF front-load washer is built to handle tough laundry loads while delivering the reliability Maytag is known for. Designed with busy households in mind, this washer offers a spacious drum capacity that makes it easy to wash large loads, bulky bedding, and family-sized laundry baskets in fewer cycles. That means less time doing laundry and more time focusing on what matters most. One of the standout features of the MFW7020RF is its advanced cleaning technology. It is engineered to tackle stubborn stains, deeply embedded dirt, and everyday messes while remaining gentle on fabrics. Multiple wash cycles allow you to customize settings for everything from delicate garments to heavily soiled work clothes. Efficiency is another major advantage. The washer uses water and energy intelligently, helping reduce utility costs without sacrificing cleaning performance. Its high-speed spin cycle removes more moisture from clothes, helping reduce drying time and improve overall efficiency. The sleek front-load design adds a modern touch to any laundry room, while intuitive controls make operation simple and user-friendly. Quiet operation also ensures minimal disruption, even during larger wash cycles. Number 4. The LG WM3400CW front-load washer is designed to make laundry day easier while delivering outstanding results for every load. With its spacious capacity, the WM3400CW can handle everything from everyday clothing to bulky blankets and family-sized laundry loads. This means fewer wash cycles and more time saved throughout the week. One of the biggest highlights of this washer is LG's advanced cleaning technology. Multiple wash programs are designed to tackle different fabric types and soil levels, ensuring your clothes receive the care they need while still coming out fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Whether you're washing delicate fabrics or heavily soiled items, this machine is built to deliver consistent performance. The high-efficiency design helps reduce water and energy consumption without sacrificing cleaning power. Its powerful spin cycle removes excess moisture from clothes, helping shorten drying times and improve overall efficiency. The modern front-load design not only looks stylish, but also makes loading and unloading laundry more convenient. Easy-to-use controls and a clear display allow you to select the perfect wash settings with minimal effort. Number 3. The LG WM1455HWA front-load washer is designed specifically for apartments, small homes, and anyone who wants premium laundry performance in a compact package. Despite its space-saving design, the LG WM1455HWA offers impressive cleaning power. Equipped with advanced wash technology, it effectively removes dirt, stains, and odors while remaining gentle on your clothes. Whether you're washing everyday garments, delicate fabrics, or heavily worn items, this washer is built to provide reliable results with every cycle. One of the standout features is its high-efficiency operation. The machine uses water and energy intelligently, helping reduce utility costs while maintaining excellent washing performance. This makes it an environmentally friendly and budget-conscious choice for modern households. The front-load design not only looks sleek and modern, but also helps improve cleaning efficiency. Multiple wash programs allow you to customize each load based on fabric type and cleaning needs, ensuring your clothes receive the proper care. Another major advantage is its quiet operation, making it ideal for apartments and shared living spaces where noise can be a concern. The intuitive control panel is easy to use, allowing you to select the perfect settings with minimal effort. Number 2. The Samsung Series 9 Bespoke AI WF90F09C4SU1 is built to redefine the modern laundry experience. From the moment you see it, the Bespoke design stands out with its sleek, minimalist appearance that complements any contemporary home. More than just stylish, this washer is packed with intelligent features designed to make laundry easier and more efficient than ever before. At the heart of the machine is Samsung's advanced AI-powered washing technology. The system can intelligently detect load size, fabric type, and washing conditions to optimize water usage, detergent levels, and cycle settings automatically. This helps deliver outstanding cleaning results while reducing waste and improving efficiency. The spacious drum capacity makes it ideal for families, allowing you to wash larger loads and bulky items with ease. Whether it's everyday clothing, bedding, or delicate fabrics, the machine adapts to provide the best possible care. Smart connectivity features allow you to control and monitor wash cycles directly from your smartphone. You can receive notifications, customize settings, and manage your laundry remotely for added convenience. The washer also operates quietly, making it perfect for modern homes where comfort and peace are important. Combined with energy-efficient performance and powerful stain removal capabilities, it offers a truly premium laundry solution. Number 1. Looking for a premium washing machine that combines powerful cleaning, smart technology, and elegant design? The Samsung WF53BB8700 AVUS Bespoke front-load washer is built to make laundry easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. With its modern bespoke design, this washer brings a sleek and sophisticated look to any laundry room. But it's not just about appearance. Inside, you'll find advanced features designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance for every load. The large capacity drum allows you to wash more clothes at once, making it ideal for busy families and households with heavy laundry demands. From everyday clothing to bulky blankets and bedding, this machine handles large loads with ease. One of its standout features is Samsung's AI-powered technology, which intelligently optimizes wash settings based on your laundry needs. This helps improve cleaning results while reducing water and energy consumption. The washer learns your habits over time, creating a more personalized and efficient laundry experience. Smart connectivity allows you to monitor and control your washer directly from your smartphone. Start cycles, receive notifications, and adjust settings remotely for maximum convenience. The machine also operates quietly while providing powerful stain removal and fabric care. Combined with energy-efficient performance and advanced washing cycles, it delivers professional-level results right at home. If you're searching for a stylish, intelligent, and high-capacity washer that simplifies laundry day, the Samsung WF53BB8700 AVUS is a top-tier choice that offers both innovation and reliability.